Alrighty guys, looky. Yes guys, I got my vehicle back. Alright. Yes, police just called me. It was abandoned in some apartment complex. You know the weird thing about it, guys? I just popped the hood because driving it from that complex to over here is overheating. I mean, it was overheating before it was stolen. I know why it's overheating, but um, what did they get? I was thinking, look guys, my my side job tool bags. Look at that. Now I just bought a Milwaukee box from Home Depot, a whole 4-piece kit. And I already opened it and using it. So, whew, back in business. Guys, this is a work van, okay? It got oil. I got all kinds of stuff, batteries that's going to the scrap yard. God, this is what kills me. Like, why would y'all jump in something like this? This is a nasty, junky work van. Okay, do not judge me. This is a work van. I care less about it. And the thieves came over here. Now here's the thinking, guys. Here's what I think, okay? Because remember, this is a skim setup, right? So how are they able to start the car? Now, what I'm gonna stop doing from now on is leaving a key in the car. I think they got some kind of transmitter that can ping and tell if a key is near the car. Okay, now again, I didn't lock my door and I had keys in here. Where? I have no idea where the keys, you know what I'm saying? I got a spare key laying under the glove box, some of the glove box. Look at all these keys right here. Like, these go to something. I don't know what they go to, but my thinking goes they use a transmitter to ping it and find out this was a match right here. So whatever transmitter they use, now the door wasn't locked, but they don't know that, right? So if you're gonna climb up this freaking hill and take a chance to see if the door locked, yeah, you crazy, right? So they obviously got something to unlock the doors as well. You don't have time to look for a key. You know there's a key somewhere in here because your transmitter went out. But if that's the case, they probably got some kind of Chrysler fake key that does all the transmission. You stick it in there and it fires up. That's how I think they got it, because they did my Journey the same way. My daughter had an extra key in a little black magnetic box under the bottom, so they was able to ping it. Okay, notice they didn't get none of this stuff. All right, yeah, they didn't get nothing that didn't ping. So they jumped their little happy ass up here and grabbed my van. It's been gone 3 days. All right, so I'm back now though. So yes, I will not be leaving the keys in it. I will be locking it. Even if you're at home, I didn't think nobody would steal my freaking van. So I'm one happy camper, guys. I'll worry about this later. Now I can drive this to work tomorrow, clean it out, but I'm just so freaking happy. My tools are intact. I've been borrowing tools for the last 3 days until all my tools that I ordered come in. Now I can cancel some of those orders. All right, guys, that's all I have. I don't want to bore y'all, but your boy's back. Now I'm gonna clean all that up, get it detailed, because I don't know what these cats got, but that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Yeah, hashtag short, guys. All right, here's my van. I got it in the shop, guys. I'm finna do a feature because the thieves still got a key that go to this van. All right, remember what I told y'all what you should do anytime your car is stolen and the thieves still have a key. All right, I have my scan tool pull up. Let me show y'all the feature. See this feature right here? I am going to, where is it? Erase, right here. Erase all ignition fobics. So I'm gonna erase every key that's programmed to my car, and I'm gonna go back and reprogram. This function erases all ignition keys currently programmed to the vehicle. Okay, continue. All right, checking for pin. I gotta have the pin, guys, and I do have the pin. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in. Now I'm gonna hit continue. Now, yes, I am sure. Continue. And ladies and gentlemen, current pin has been entered. Continue. Okay, this function, I know, okay, all ignition keys have been erased from this vehicle. Now all I gotta do is program the keys that I have in my possession, and you'll be back to normal. All right, hashtag short.